How to post videos on Pinterest. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In this guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then post videos on Pinterest. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to post videos on Pinterest, it's relatively very simple, but it's a little different to comparing to how you can post pins and photos. Just make sure to update the Pinterest app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Pinterest, then go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Pinterest app, now basically we want you to go over and open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, obviously you can see this is how it's going to look like. So you can see multiple photos and you can see a video at the top. You might have been wondering how people post these videos or live wallpapers or GIFs or anything as such. It's very simple. If I tap on the plus icon at the bottom, but if I go ahead and select pin, but on the pin section you can only see the all photos. We don't have the option to choose a video, so as you can see it will only show you photos, screenshots and so on. But if you want to add a video, just tap on the plus icon. You have to select the option called idea pin, not pin but idea pin, and just tap on it. And here you can see videos, and you can also see photos, and you can also see all. So if you want to post a video, just go ahead and select a video that you want to choose. Once you go ahead and select your video, just tap on the next button. You can also add multiple ones if you want. And you can also go ahead and make your changes to this video, such as you can cut the clips, you can add text, you can add music, stickers, colors and so on. Just some of the fancy bit stuff that you might want to do over here. Once you've done that, you can also create pages and tap on the next button on the top right corner of the screen. And just like that, you can also go ahead and then add a title, which is really optional, but you can pick a board depending upon which board you want to add this to. You can tag some related settings as well. You can also go to advanced settings and allow comments or not, and just tap on the publish button, which is at the bottom, and it will ask you for a confirmation. Once you have published an idea pin, only board selection and engagement settings can be edited. Make sure it's okay before you publish, and that's simply it. This is how you can publish and post videos on Pinterest. Hopefully this video gave you a decent idea as how you can do it. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.